Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to get a marriage license in Ontario. To get married in Ontario, you must have a valid marriage license. This license allows you to get married anywhere in the province. It is valid for 90 days from the date it is issued. The cost usually ranges from $125 to $150 Canadian dollars or more, depending on the municipality. The first step is to complete a marriage license application form. Next, gather your identification documents. Each partner must provide 2 pieces of original and valid government-issued identification. Examples include a birth certificate, passport, driver's license, or permanent resident card. Photocopies are not accepted. The ID must show your legal name and date of birth. If either person was previously divorced in Canada, you must bring the original or a court-certified copy of the decree absolute or certificate of divorce. If the divorce happened outside Canada, you may need additional documents to prove that the divorce is legally recognized in Ontario. Once you have completed the form and gathered all documents, take everything to a local municipal office or city hall. In some cities, you may need to book an appointment. In others, you may be able to apply online and then pick up the license in person. After approval, you will receive your marriage license. Thanks for watching.